Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my other two previous videos on how I made these gloves and this sequin hat. On today's video I'll show you how I make this peplum belt and the top. So basically I had like a one day to make whole outfit, so I used mainly glue gun and hot glue to create this look. First, I'll be upcycling this old top which has few stains on, so I'll be covering those stains with these silver embellishments, and I'll be gluing those embellishments on with a hot glue gun. So I'm gluing all these embellishments at the front and on both sleeves, at the back of the sleeve and front of the sleeve. And I'm gluing these embellishments at the back and my top is finished. Next, I'll create my peplum belt using scrap materials. So basically I have folded this cotton fabric in 4 layers and it's 4 centimeters wide. That's going to be my belt base, and on top I will put this white satin ribbon which is 5 centimeters wide, and on top I'll put these silver embellishments. And for my peplum belt I will use this scrap sequin fabric on top and bottom. First, I'll be covering the belt base each end, approximately 15 centimeters each end, with this silver sequin fabric. I'm gluing that silver sequin fabric on top around. My belt will be self-tie belt, so that's why I'm covering each end with the silver sequin fabric. So I have covered silver sequin fabric there, and I've repeated on other end a little bit more because why not. Next, I'll glue on this white satin ribbon on top of the belt base like that, and this ribbon is 79 centimeters long. It is a measurement of my waist. Next, I will glue on these silver sequin embellishments on top of the white ribbon. So I'm cutting these embellishments a bit narrower so it looks good on my white ribbon, and I'm just gluing these embellishments on top of the white ribbon like that. And my belt base is finished. Next, I'll create a top peplum pattern. This top peplum pattern is 9 centimeters wide and it is 48 centimeters longer than my waist, and I'm covering this cotton fabric with this sequin fabric all over like that. So the cotton fabric is covered with the sequin fabric now. I'm cutting off the excess sequin fabric off the bottom now, and now I will glue this peplum top pattern on the top of the belt base. So basically I'm gluing that belt base on top of the pattern like that, and I'm creating a box pleats like that. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just literally creating it randomly because I don't really have much time, so that's how I'm doing it on one side, but I'm trying to make both sides equal, so I'm just recreating the same box pleat on other side like that. So all box pleats are finished now at the front. I will leave back flat as you can see here. I'm adding more glue on top peplum pattern so it sticks properly. It looks like that, nice and neat. Next, I'll create bottom peplum pattern. So I didn't have enough fabric for 2 layers of the sequin, so I'm sewing on the cotton fabric at the back on the left side. I'll turn this inside out and that's how it looks. And I ironed that, and I'll glue this pattern on this belt base. So I have created box pleat at the back as you can see there, and I'm creating same box pleats as I did on a top peplum pattern, and I'm gluing those together. Also, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just gluing that on randomly, but I'm trying to make one side and other side kind of same as you can see here. So basically I have box pleats on each side at the front and one box pleat at the back as you can see here. So this is how it looks. Last thing what I need to do is to cover the inside bit so it looks nice and neat. So I'm gluing this white ribbon on the inside as you can see to cover all of the seams. not seams, but you know what I mean, all the glue. I'm adding more glue inside in a box plate so it's nice and strong, and my self-tie peplum belt is finished. Also, I added extra panel to cover front self-tie by opening. If you have any questions how I made this peplum belt and upcycled this top, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.